Fuck yeah. I got 4 keys, 4 cases, did some trading. You know how it goes. The only reason I'm opening these cases is because of these two. The Asimov and the coat and the fucking I'm retarded. The Noir. And yeah, these are kind of cool too, but I really just want a red so bad. These are such cool skins and they're very expensive. And there's always the knife. I'm gonna get 4 blues, or my actual prediction: 3 blues and one purple. All right, let's see. Let's see if I'm right though. Hopefully I'm not. But all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Fuck you. Actually, that actually looks kind of nice. That might be factory new. Minimal wear. Alright, what is it then? What is it? Fucking field tested. Sick. Alright, next one, next one, next one, next one. Oh, the skin. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna get the same skin, but this is still shit. This is very shit. Fuck this skin. Wow. Wow. Alright, 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 alright. 2 more, 2 more. Keep your hopes up. 2 more, 2 more. Bruh. 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 3 blues, all field tested. Bruh. Bruh. I'm gonna need another fucking blue. Oh my god. Fuck this game, bro. Fuck this game, bro. That's so unfortunate. Damn. Oh my god, 4 field tested blues. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. What a shitty fucking shit.